Good morning, everyone. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and we have reached Manali right now. This is the tent house where we are staying, and all the necessary arrangements, are done here. And the view from here is must, like legitly must. But it's too cold, like legitly I've worn like almost 3 to 4 layers of clothes, but still I'm shivering like anything. And it's just the starting. We don't know what's going to happen in the end, and according to the weather conditions, the temperature is going to go more lower and lower. So let's see what the halat is till then. Let me just rest because we have had an overnight journey of like almost 8 to 10 hours, so damn tired right now. And yeah, I'll catch you probably when I get fresh. Hello, hello, hello. It is almost 11:30. We had a good rest and we are all decked up and freshened up right now. Though it doesn't look like that, but yeah, and it is a bit sunny over here, which feels very good for a change. And now we are heading towards uh, activities. So we are going to do this. If you could see the activity, I don't know what it is called, something kind of rappelling or zip lining. We are going to do it right now, and yeah, that is the update right now. Then I may or may not insert the clip. If it turns out bad, I wouldn't definitely. Yeah, that's all thing I have to say right now. I'll meet you. Uh, I'll meet you if anything exciting happens. Furthermore, so till then, bye. I am done with the activities. That was rope rappelling and zip lining. And to be honest, they were must. They were very adventurous, to be honest. But given the circumstances, I am facing a little dizziness right now, so I may not be in my true self. I may not be my true self as for now. But yeah, that was the thing, and now we are heading towards the lunch. I probably catch you after lunch or when we go sightseeing. We are here at the Hadimba Devi temple. It is one of the most ancient temples of India, and this is the scenery. It's just an old wooden temple, और मूर्ति वगैरह भी कुछ नहीं है, बस थोड़ा पत्थर का उनका पगला वगैरह है. So yeah, that is that. As I said, we were here at the Hadimba Devi temple. It is one of the most ancient temples of India, and being that it is made up of wood and all, and just surrounded with lots and lots and lots of greenery. It is situated on a mountain. Weather here, as usual, is quite cold, and I wouldn't say peaceful per se because temple है तो आवाज़ तो है ही, but क्या बोलते हैं, इनको बहुत लोग यहाँ मनाली में लोग इनको बहुत मानते हैं. इफ़ सो व्हाई नॉट विजिट दैट टेम्पल, लाइक विजिट कर लेना ना, अच्छा स्पॉट है. And around the temple there are many photo booths kind of thing also, like where you can dress up as a Kashmiri or typical North Indian woman can dress, and you can click beautiful pictures. And we also have some rabbits and goats and yaks and all, with which you can click the pictures. So if you're a fan of animals or ancient Indian or Indian textiles, and as in general, you definitely have to try this out. Okay, everyone. So we are here at a monastery right now. It is looking so pretty, though we are not allowed to take the mobiles inside, obviously, but I love doing this, okay? That is definitely what I'm going to do. And it also has a park kind of vibe to it, so you can, just relax, enjoy, and click beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pictures. So yeah, that's what we are going to do right now. And then I guess we are going to go Mall Road for shopping today. And yeah, so I'll catch you at that time. Okay, so in the last clip, I had mentioned that we were we were going onto the Mall Road next, and I did vlog there, but वो clip में public के अलावा कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा because the roads were super 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 crowded, and then we got bored at a certain point, and then we came back to our camp where we had a DJ night and campfire, which also I didn't vlog because but the temperature was super cold that we didn't even have the guts to remove our hands from the pockets. So it was very, very, very difficult to vlog over here. I mean, vlog the DJ night, and also it would have been super awkward for me to reveal everyone's faces and if they are comfortable or not. So I didn't vlog that scene also. So I'm starting again from day two, and yeah. Good morning, everyone. It is our day two in Manali, and we are all ready to check out of this camping, uh, from this camping site, and we are moving to a new hotel today. Checking in right now, and we'll have a breakfast there. So we are all ready to go from here. The camping here was beautiful, and you could see the scenery. So I'll just insert the clip of the scenery right now. It is beautiful, and but it is too cold. Like the temperature has dropped to almost like 1 degrees, and I cannot even remove my hands from my pocket. Like God knows how I'm holding my phone right now. So yeah, that's the update that we are checking out of this camp, and we are moving into a new hotel. And we'll probably have a breakfast, and then we will go to the next destination. So I'll catch you at the breakfast or at the hotel, or maybe at the next destination. So I was talking about this view. It is super beautiful. Like, could you see those snow-clad mountains? Like, I hope my camera could capture at least 10% of what I could see, because trust me, this site is something to long for. It is beautiful, like beautiful. So this is how our tent looks from the outside, and I'll just give you an insight of it. This is the inside. Please ignore the mess. Here we have one cot bed and a big bed that can fit at least 3 people, and it is covered with like the whole cloth. We have also a light over here and a charging point given us, and this is the tents, and we also have an attached washroom over here. uh, as you can see, it's a very tiny bit washroom, but it does fulfill the need, so why not. So yeah, that's all about the tent. Hello, I'm walking over the Bias River right now, obviously on the bridge. And let me tell you, this bridge is so frisky that whenever any person or any vehicle goes over it, it literally starts shaking, which is kind of very risky for me, but that's the only way we can come in and get out of our camping site. So yeah, we have to cross the whole bridge over here. You could literally see it is shaking. And let me show you the overview of the Bias River in a bit. It's beautiful, I'll tell you. See, this is how the river looks like. Could you see how beautiful it is? Like, I honestly cannot go get over this thing here, and look at the scenery. I am flat, like flat. Good morning. So as I mentioned earlier, we have checked into a different hotel. It's called Applebud Cottages, and the view from here is आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ओके लाइक रियली लाइक कुछ हो ना हो व्यू ने तो हमको मज़ा करवा दिया. लाइक जस्ट इफ यू कुड सी दिस थिंग beautiful. I know I've said the word beautiful like too many times in this video, but yeah, I hope you get my point. It is something you need to have, or it is something worth staying here for. It's must. Hello, like we are at one of the most exciting points. We are going towards one of the most exciting points, that is the Solang Valley. और बीच में हम लोग ने एक एडवेंचरस एक्टिविटी ट्रिप काइंड ऑफ उठाया है. तो हम लोग फिलहाल जिप लाइनिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं. I'll maybe insert a clip here and there, and I'll take you to the activities we are going through. So we'll meet later. Bye. We are finally done with zip lining. मैं व्लॉग कर रही हूँ, ऐसा मत करो. बहुत ज़्यादा फट गई बट बहुत मज़ा आया. I'll definitely insert a clip over here and I'll meet you in the next adventure probably. See you. We are here at the Solang Valley, but unfortunately there's not much of ice, but yeah, there is definitely ice. I wouldn't deny that, but we had to trek like, I don't know, like literally सह्याद्री ट्रैक जैसा फीलिंग था. पत्थर से चढ़ चढ़ के आना पड़ा. बहुत वाट लग गई, बहुत वाट लग गई, जिंदगी खराब हो गई. बट बर्फ़ है तो ठीक है, सब कुछ सही है. अभी और ज़्यादा ताकत नहीं है कुछ बोलने की. बस ये थोड़ा बहुत बर्फ़ देख लो. अगर कुछ अच्छा सा क्लिप या एडवेंचर वगैरह आ गया then I'll definitely insert it. But for now, let me rest थोड़ा. I'll catch you when something exciting happens. Okay? Bye. And we are finally in the baraf. Oh my god, this feels so surreal, I tell you. Super cold and not as much ice as we expected, but it's baraf, yeah. You can never go wrong with the snow. And just see how pretty this looks like. I don't want to come home right now. No. Like घर आने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है यार. Like this is the, like this feels like the immense level of satisfaction you get, It's a bliss, I tell you, pure bliss. बर्फ. Hi, we are finally done with the snow thing. It is super cold right now. It is super breezy. I don't know what what to do right now because I want to be in slow, but बहुत ठंडी लग रहा है कि इधर से फट निकल रहे हैं हम लोग. अभी हम लोग ने बड़ा मज़ा किया, बहुत मज़ा आया. हम लोग ने स्नोमैन तक बनाया, हम लोग ने स्कीइंग किया, हम लोग ने ट्यूब राइडिंग किया, हम लोग ने बहुत 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 मज़ा किया है. Like literally snow fight सब कुछ, you name it, we have done it in the snow. Like all the cliches that everyone does, so we are done with that. And uh, I cannot talk that much right now, and I am literally walking while I am talking. It's a great risk I'm taking undertaking right now because बहुत slippery है. तो आई थिंक मैं अभी आपको लेजिटली मेरा ये पूरा सोलांग वैली मैं ख़त्म कर दूँ और फिर मैं नीचे बस में जाऊँ या होटल में जाऊँ, जहाँ पे भी आई एम माई नॉर्मल सेल्फ, आई विल मीट यू तब. तो सी आई जस्ट लिटरली स्लिप राइट नाउ. सो तब के लिए बाय, आई विल मीट यू आफ्टरवर्ड्स. बाय 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 बाय. जिंदगी सफल. Okay, so we are back down from the Solang Valley safely, and actually our one activity is left to do, that is river crossing. So we are here at the Bias River with that, and yeah, हालत तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है करने का, but it is kind of exciting. So yeah, let's complete all the adventures. मुंबई जाकर कुछ करने मिलेगा या नहीं, so let's do everything over here only. But it's must. Like फटती तो डेफिनेटली है, बट करके भी बड़ा मज़ा आता है. पर लाइक दैट लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन इज totally different only. So yeah, I'll go and do my adventure and maybe insert a clip over here or not, and we'll meet you at the hotel probably. See you there. Bye. We are back to our hotel, Applebud Cottages right now. After all the hustle bustle, we are finally here for some relaxation. And trust me, this has to be one of the best hotels over here. I'll show you the room. It is must, and the view is to die for. Actually, this is a room that is 402, and this is the main door. Obviously, as we enter, we see some people because obviously I am sharing my room. And here to the left side we have a keyhole and washroom, pretty decent washroom per se. And opposite to the washroom we have some wardrobes and some teapots, and also a wardrobe right behind the door. And on the left we have a huge bed, like almost king size, with some side tables, some heaters, and intercom obviously. And yeah, this is a seating arrangement kind of thing, ignore the mess. This is a huge as window over here. It's a gallery per se, and let's see the view. This is the view, night view. Those are actually the snow covered mountains, but you won't be able to see the snow right now. So this is the mast wala view which we are getting in the room. And these are the see-through glasses obviously. And on to the right side there's a huge wall, mirror, then TV obviously, and then there's a door again. So we come to the end of the room tour. Since I already gave you my room tour, ignore my face. We are hell tired right now. Obviously the day was amazing, no complaints at all. apart from the fact that my whole body is aching, like not only mine, everyone's body is aching. Like we had so much fun today, but we had to hustle a lot for it. uh, but still, it was quite a wonderful day and a wonderful memory, which I don't think we'll able to experience anytime in the near future at least. So yeah, that was the end to our day. Like not the exactly end. It's just 7 o'clock right now. I know, and I know it is too early to end the vlog right now per se. But trust me, all we are going to do right now is just sleep and rest and listen to some music and have dinner, because we are totally so hungry, because we just had a breakfast today and we skipped the lunch because we were obviously in the Solang Valley. I per se didn't get any giant food over there, because you know, all you get over there is just some packets of chips and stuff and Maggie, which which obviously you can't expect to be giant over there. So yeah, I personally skipped the beach ka thoda chakkar makar part also, and I'm totally hungry. So we are going to have dinner and we'll sleep today, because tomorrow early morning we have to check out and go to another destination. So that was it from my side for the Manali vlog. uh, I did my best to vlog as much as I can. Obviously, as I mentioned, I wouldn't be vlogging each and every part. I would be just be giving a little inside a glimpse of this whole vacation, because obviously I also have to enjoy, not just keep vlogging. And honestly, I don't know how to vlog these. This is just a progress I'm making, or I'm trying to make. So yeah, if you like my vlog, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know it down in the comments if you like my try at vlogging. And I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.